What if your business had an AI teammate that could answer questions and support users 24/7? In this video, I'll show you what a BorgHive AI Assistant is and how you can create your own in just a few minutes. So, what is a BorgHive AI Assistant? Think of it as a digital teammate for your customer conversations that connects your business knowledge, your communication channels, and your response style into one assistant that can guide users, answer questions, and handle repetitive conversations. So your customers get instant answers, while your team focuses on the conversations that matter most. Okay, let's dive into creating your first BorgHive AI Assistant. There are two ways to create one. The easiest way is to start from a ready-made template. Templates are organized by use case and industry, like commerce, local business, professional services, education, healthcare, travel, and more. This gives us a ready starting point instead of writing everything from scratch. For this demo, we'll choose the e-commerce support agent template. Now we can review the assistant setup. First, we have the assistant name. This is used only inside the dashboard, so your team can identify and manage the assistant. Next, we select the AI model that powers the assistant. Advanced models can provide better understanding and more accurate responses, while faster models can respond quicker and at a lower cost. To access more powerful and advanced models, you can upgrade your plan at any time. Then, we have the AI instructions already prepared by the template. These instructions define how the assistant should behave, what tone it should use, what topics it should cover, and what rules or limitations it should follow. In other words, the template gives us a strong foundation, but we can still edit everything to match our business. Now let's look at the second method, creating an assistant manually. This option gives you full control from the start. You enter the assistant name, choose the AI model, and create your own instructions based on how you want the assistant to respond. This is useful when you have a very specific role, tone, or business process in mind. Great! You've just created your first BorgHive Assistant. Now let's open it and customize it even further. Here you can update the same core settings, the assistant name, the AI model, and the instructions. You can also add an internal description for your team. This description is not shown to clients and does not affect the assistant's responses. It is only used inside the dashboard to help your team understand what this assistant is for. Next, we have the training data section. This is where you can attach documents that the assistant will use to answer customer questions. You can upload files in TXT, HTML, or Markdown format. The more detailed and well-structured these documents are, the better the assistant can find the right information and provide useful answers. To upload training files, the documentation knowledge option must be enabled in your subscription. Now, let's move to the functionality section. Here, you can enable image message processing. When this is enabled, users can send images, and the assistant can process them as part of the conversation. You can also enable audio message processing. This allows users to send audio messages, and the assistant can understand and process them. If audio is enabled, you can also choose the voice used for text-to-speech replies. So when a user sends a voice message, the assistant can respond back with voice using the selected
Hello,
voice.
I'm a virtual assistant created by BorgHive. How can I help you today?
Finally, We have two advanced response parameters, temperature and top P. Temperature controls how predictable or creative the assistant is. Lower values make responses more precise and stable, while higher values make them more creative and varied. Top P controls how wide the assistant's word selection can be when generating a response. A lower value makes answers more conservative, while a higher value allows more variety. Once everything looks good, we save the changes. And that's it! In just a few minutes, we created a BorgHive AI Assistant customized with your knowledge, functionality, and response behavior for your business. In the next video, we'll show how to integrate this assistant with WhatsApp and with a website chatbot widget so your customers can start using it. BorgHive. Deploy intelligent AI agents anywhere.